Introduction to CreditSaint Credit Tips. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that helps individuals improve their credit scores by providing them with useful tips and tools to manage their credit effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to get the most out of CreditSaint Credit Tips. Step 1. Understanding your credit report. The first step to improving your credit score is to understand your credit report. CreditSaint provides you with a comprehensive credit report that outlines your credit history, including any negative marks or errors. Review your report carefully and identify areas that need improvement. Step 2. Disputing errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. CreditSaint provides a dispute process that allows you to challenge any inaccuracies and have them removed from your report. This can help improve your credit score and prevent any further damage. Step 3. Paying bills on time. Paying your bills on time is crucial to maintaining a good credit score. CreditSaint provides you with tools and reminders to help you stay on top of your payments. Set up payment reminders and make sure to pay your bills before the due date to avoid any late fees or negative marks. Step 4. Reducing debt. High levels of debt can negatively impact your credit score. CreditSaint provides you with debt management tools and tips to help you reduce your debt. Create a budget and prioritize your debts to pay off high-interest loans and credit cards first. Step 5. Monitoring your credit. Monitoring your credit is an ongoing process. CreditSaint provides you with regular credit score updates and alerts to help you stay on top of your credit. Monitor your credit report regularly and address any issues promptly to prevent any damage to your credit score. Best practices. To get the most out of CreditSaint Credit Tips, follow these best practices. Check your credit report regularly to ensure it is accurate and up to date. Make on-time payments and keep your debt levels low. Avoid applying for too much credit and only apply for credit when necessary. By following these tips and best practices, you can improve your credit score and maintain good credit habits.